On the grounds that Trump had not done a proper environmental review before rescinding Obama's policy. You see legal battles from this. Ultimately, the Supreme Court upholds the lower court's decision to block construction in the U.S. The company behind this, TC Energy, said it would reassess the project in the United States, though they still proceeded in Canada. Then, first day in Biden's office, he revoked.
I agree with you, but I respect your right to do it. As they walk.
Oh, there we go.
As they're being waved on.
And they just reached the... someone, you...
Plug and play, then be taking 3 deep shots on one receiver. Seals Jones, who did sign this week. Oh, big news.
Good job, Ricky.
We now have only 2 picks left. Obviously, we are sitting here now with 2 tight ends, 4 quarterbacks.
Keep left to stay on Albemarle Road.
Oh!
I mean, no, again, no, you're right out in, don't, Ken, no. Don't scare this poor person who's out in the middle of the freaking road.
Whoa! Holy God! Jesus. What the f? What the f? Almost killed us!
Know very well, but the rest of the country somehow didn't get it. Any more reason to be afraid now as there was before for some people, because that dealing with that kind of violence and race.
What the f? Ah, shit! Oh my gosh! Oh. What the hell?
why questions? You really want to know purpose.
Holy you're welcome.
Well, then that distinguishes you from many other people who ask why questions.
Where are you gonna go? Jesus Christ. Get your arm shot off or something. Jesus.
What are you doing? Why, dude? Go! You're just stuck. Move your foot. Move your car. Move your car. You're sitting in the middle of the road. You're sitting in the middle of the road. You are an idiot, dude. Move your car. What are you talking? Move your car. You're sitting here. Move your car. Pull over. Let's get the out of the road. Get the out of the road. You are an asshole. I know, right? Yeah. Good for you. You proved your point. Now get out of the road. I have a dash camera. You want to see yourself how stupid you look tonight on YouTube? Good. Perfect. Get the out of the road. Look at. Thanks for videotaping. Hey, by the way, we made contact. I want your insurance. Hey, I want your insurance. We made contact. Pull over here. I hit you here. Pull over right here. Pull over right here. We made contact on the car. Bro, can you pull over? Let's let the insurance figure this out. Let's let the insurance figure this out. I want you to pull over here, please, and let's exchange insurance. Pull over. Can you call the police? Call the police. Hey, wait, where you go? Pull over, hey!
your finger, but you need this one, honey.
Hey, let's click on that. Yeah, hi. I'd like to report a hit and run.
Is there anyone hurt? Anyone needed ambulance?
No, but this guy just he slammed on his brakes, I hit him, and now he's running from the scene.
Okay. Let me put it in for you.
Thank you. Dude, I f***ing hit someone. This guy just did a hit and run. He just slammed on the brakes in front of me. At the yield, he went and just slammed on his brakes. Yeah, dude. So I told the guy to pull over. He comes in here and he took off. He just went backwards and just got it that way. So I just called the police. You want to help them carry stuff over? There's a police officer supposed to come meet me here right now. They're right there. I see them right there. But like, what the f***? I gotta chill here.